Hi everyone, my name is John Penquet and my business is Ultimate Landlord Research. We do research across the whole of the property market to understand the property market from a data perspective. And the big thing at the moment is inflation. Everyone's talking about, oh gosh, property price inflation, isn't it? Is it going to carry on? Is it going to slow down? Is it good? Is it bad? Does it affect me? Does it not affect me? All that sort of stuff. Well, yes, inflation does affect you and your business. Inflation is something that can work for you and it can work against you depending on what you're doing. One of the funny things at the moment is this misunderstanding of where inflation is going to take the wider UK economy. I'm watching that very closely and I'm quite excited by it as well. I'm not worried, flinking heck. My assets that I control will appreciate. They will appreciate in value because of inflation. That's a great thing for us at the moment. Have you got an appreciation strategy in your property business? Are you planning to appreciate the assets that you acquire? Will the assets that you acquire appreciate faster than other assets that you could acquire? These are questions that we've got to answer. This is the new norm. This is the change. Everything has changed, and this is the new normal for us as property investors. You can go and try and buy materials if you want, and you can go and try and spend a lot of time making a poor performing property perform a little bit better, or you can allow the market to work for you and enable you to make significant increases on your investment because the market in which you've invested into is growing at a faster rate. It's inflating at a faster rate than elsewhere. Inflation is not something that's uniform everywhere. It's lumpy and it's bumpy, and that's the really exciting thing. Those lumps and bumps are where we win or we lose. Some people invest in dips. Some people will be investing in areas where property values are likely to fall or stagnate, and some of us, those of us that perform well, those of us that understand data, will invest in the locations in the areas where there's high demand. There's been a significant change over the last 2 years, and there's opportunity for significant inflation in those types of properties in those areas. So, that sort of stuff. I'm talking all over the country at the moment about that. I'm helping people to understand that. I'm working with people on their business models to have that as part of their strategy. So that's really exciting, and there's loads and loads of links and communique out there about what's happening. There will be some details in the comments below about future events that we've got. If you want to come along and learn a bit more about inflation, how it can benefit your business, click on one of those links below and we'll get you booked on. Thanks very much. Speak to you again soon. Bye bye.